Good morning, students. In the last class, six types of sets completed. Seventh one is universal set. What is universal set definition? First point. What is universal set? Universal set is the bigger one. There is no big set than universal set. Just like universe, just like world. So, what is universal set? It is the big one. There is no bigger one than universal set. The set which consists of all the sets. The set which consists of all the sets is known as universal set. The set which consists of all the sets is known as universal set. The set which consists of all the sets is known as universal set. Remember, there is no bigger one than universal set. Take any set, it is a subset of universal set. Universal set is the bigger one, just like real numbers. So there is no bigger one than universal set. Remember, just like universe. Universal set is represented by this is the symbol for universal set. That symbol is known as mu or u. Universal set is represented by mu or u. Universal set is represented by mu or u. Third point, in Venn diagrams, universal set is represented by rectangular box. So, in Venn diagram, universal set is represented by rectangular box like this. So, it is known as universal set. Rectangular box represents universal set in Venn diagram. So, this is about Venn diagram. The set which consists of all the sets is known as universal set. The set which consists of all the sets is known as universal set. Universal set is represented by mu or u. In Venn diagrams, universal set is represented by rectangular box. So rectangular box represents universal set in Venn diagrams. That is about universal set. Next one is, I told you already, after this there is a small topic about basic operation on sets. What are the basic operation on sets? Next topic is, it is not a type of sets. There is a topic, basic operation on sets. Basic operation on sets. So what are the basic operations on sets? Generally you know what are the operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. They are known as arithmetical operations. But here our topic is basic operation on sets. There are three basic operations. Three basic operations are there. Number one, union. Union. This is the symbol for union. First operation, union. First operation, union means, important word about union is combine. Combine all the elements. It is known as union. Union means combine all the elements. Second one, intersection. Intersection means common. This is the symbol intersection. What is the word about intersection? Common. Common. Intersection means common. Third one, difference. Difference means minus. Difference means minus, means cancellation. Third one, cancellation. Triple C. First one, combine. Second one, common. Third one, cancellation. Those are the three basic operations in sets. Number one, union. Combine all the elements. Number two, intersection. Write only common elements. Number three, difference means cancel common elements. First one, combine all the elements. Second one, write only common elements. Number three, cancel common elements. So those are the three basic operations on sets. First we will see union. First we see union. First one, union. First one, union. First operation, union. This is the symbol for union. What is the definition of union? Combine all the elements. Combine all the elements, it is known as union. The set of elements belongs either to A or to B or both. The set of elements belongs either to A or to B or both. It is known as union. So, the set of elements, first point, the set of elements belongs either to A or to B, either to A or to B or to both. Okay na? The set of elements belongs either to A, either to A or to B or to both. It is known as union. It is known as union. Second point, union of two sets. Union of two sets A and B can be written as A union symbol B. A union symbol B. Third point, what I told about union, combine all the elements. So third point, combine all the elements. You know, but no repetition. Don't write any repetition. Combine all the elements. Combine all the elements. Fourth point, set builder form of A union B is A union B equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. That is the set builder form of A union B. Set builder form of A union B is A union B equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Next, what is the next one? Venn diagram. Venn diagram for A union B is, what is the Venn diagram for A union B? Draw rectangle. You know what is rectangle? Universal set. And I told you overlapping diagrams. Overlapping diagram means two circles. First circle belongs to A, second circle belongs to B. They are overlapping diagrams. Then what is the Venn diagram for A union B? AB completely. Meaning of A union B is AB completely. This is known as shade, you know, shade. Shade A and B completely. Shade A and B completely. And you know, different parts in the Venn diagram. Totally 3 parts are there in the diagram. First part only A, second part intersection, third part only B. Venn diagram contains 3 parts. See the first part, it is only A. See the middle part, it is intersection part. Third part only B. This is the Venn diagram for A union B. Fifth one, sixth one. A union B equal to B union A. A union B and B union A always equal. This is commutative law. Commutative law. Commutative law. This is what? Commutative law. Example: A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Find A union B. What is the value of A union B? A union B equal to A means 1, 2, 3, 4. Union B means 2, 3, 4, 5. Combine all the elements. Combine both the sets. Don't write repetition. So combine both the sets. 1, 2. 2 is there in both the sets, but write only one time 2. Then 3. Don't write any repetition. Combine all the elements. 4, 5. That is A union B. This is about union. So the set of elements belongs either to A or to B or both is known as union. Union of two sets A and B can be written as A union symbol B. What is union? Combine all the elements. Next one, set builder form of A union B is A union B equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Next one, Venn diagram for A union B. This is the Venn diagram for A union B. Next one, A union B and B union A always equal, commutative law. Next one, A equal to example. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Then find out A union B. Combine all the elements. Don't write repetition. What we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is about union. Next about intersection. Next topic, intersection. Next topic is second operation, intersection. Second operation, intersection. Intersection. Next operation, intersection. This is the symbol for intersection, you know. So what is the definition? The set of elements belongs either to A and to B is known as intersection. The set of elements belongs to A belongs to both the sets. Simple. Belongs to both the sets. The set of elements belongs to both the sets is known as intersection. The set of elements belongs to both the sets is known as intersection. The set of elements belongs to both the sets is known as intersection. This is the symbol for intersection. Second operation. Then intersection of two sets A and B can be written as A intersection symbol B can be written as A intersection symbol B. Third one, set builder form. Set builder form. What is intersection? Common elements. Common elements. So common elements. Fourth point, set builder form. Set builder form of set builder form of A intersection B is A intersection B equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Next one, Venn diagram. Venn diagram for A intersection B is, so A intersection B Venn diagram. Rectangular box, universal set. First circle A, second circle B, A, B. Only middle part. Total 3 parts are there. First part belongs to A minus B. Middle part belongs to A intersection B. Third part belongs to B minus A. Only shade the middle part. It is the Venn diagram for A intersection B Venn diagram. Sixth one, A intersection B equal to B intersection A. This is commutative law. Same. Commutative law. Example. A equal to some 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to some 2, 3. I want A intersection B. Write only common elements. Write only common elements. So 2, 3. A intersection B equal to 2, 3. So that is about intersection. Third one is difference. Third one is difference. Third one is difference. So third one is difference. Third one difference. It is represented by minus 0. What is the definition of difference? The set of elements belongs to first set but not belongs to second set. The set of elements belongs to first set but not belongs to second set after cancellation. Okay na? So see what I am writing. The set of elements belongs to first set but not to second set after cancellation. After cancellation. The set of elements belongs to first set but not to second set after cancellation. Second point, difference of two sets A and B can be written as A minus B. A minus B. Third one, cancellation. What is the important word here? Cancellation. Important word is cancellation. Then set builder form. Set builder form of A minus B is set builder form of A minus B is A minus B equal to X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Fifth point. Venn diagram. Venn diagram. Two Venn diagrams we can draw generally. Mu, first set A, second set B. This is the Venn diagram for A minus B. A minus B Venn diagram only shade A part. So don't enter into B part. This is A minus B. Whereas second Venn diagram, mu top right corner, again AB, only shade second part, third part. This is B minus A. Then next point, A minus B not equal to B minus A. Commutative property not satisfied. Seventh one, example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Then A minus B, suppose some 5, A minus B. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 5 minus what is B? 1, 2, 3, 4. Strike out the common elements. 1 cancel, 2 cancel, 3 cancel. Then what is left? 5. Don't write 4. Don't write 4. Only 5 is the answer. This is intersection. I mean, third one different. First one union, second one intersection, third one difference. So these are the three basic operations. In the next class, we see the remaining part of the introduction. Thank you, students.